If the power cable of your Samsung TV is faulty, then it can be the cause of Samsung's keep on restarting. To prevent this, check all of your wires and cables attached to your TV. It can be a temporary bug or glitch in your TV's software. If this is the case, follow the given troubleshooting method. In this case, you need to visit or call Samsung's customer support or service center. This might be why you're encountering the Samsung keeps turning on and off. To get rid of this, navigate to your TV settings and check for available updates. Updating the TV's software to its latest version may resolve the issue. You can fix reboot loop issue by disabling the Internet Plus, turning off the sleep timer, rebooting your Samsung TV, disabling the auto power off feature, disconnecting the setup or cable box, turning off and leaving your TV for some hours, or resetting the TV settings to default. Unplug the TV's power cable from the wall outlet and wait for 30 seconds. Now, plug the power cable back into the wall outlet and check if this resolves the issue. Unplug the TV from the wall again and disconnect all the connected cables to the TV. Now, leave your TV unplugged for 10 minutes. After that, plug all the cables, including the power cable, back into their places. Lastly, turn on your TV and check if it works for you. Check if there's a stuck power button or discharged batteries. If there's, press the power button 4 to 5 times and replace the old batteries with the new ones. Head to the settings, then General, then Eco Solution. Now, navigate to the Auto Power Off and choose Off. Now, the Auto Power Off feature is turned off. Perform a reboot on your TV and check if this fixes the issue. Head to the settings, then General, then External Device Manager. Now, select Internet Plus HDMI CEC and turn it off. After that, reboot your TV and check if the issue persists or not. Disconnect the setup or cable box from the TV. Now, turn on the TV and perform a factory reset. Once the factory reset is done, connect the cable or setup box with your TV. Navigate to the settings, then General, then System Manager. Now, select Time and scroll to the sleep timer. After that, turn off the sleep timer. Lastly, perform a reboot and check if this fixes the issue or not. There were some instances where overheating causes such types of issues. Try to check the temperature of your TV by touching the back panel of your TV. If it's hot, unplug your TV and leave it for 2 to 3 hours. Sometimes a surge protector gets faulty or non-functional, and maybe this is why your Samsung TV keeps on turning on and off by itself. If you're using a surge protector for connecting your devices, try to remove it and plug your TV power cable directly into the power outlet. Try to plug the TV's power cable into another wall outlet and check whether this resolves the issue or not. Head to the settings, then General, then Network, then Expert Settings. Now, navigate to Power On with Mobile and turn it off. If it's overheating, open the back panel of your Samsung TV and check if the heating chip has been moved out of its place. To fix this, peel off the Samsung package sticker. Also, leaving your TV off overnight fixes the issue too. Head to the settings, then General, then Reset. Now, enter the pin. The default pin is 0000. After that, select Reset and press OK to confirm. Head to the Settings, then Support, then Self-Diagnosis. Now, select Reset and enter the pin. Default pin 0000. After that, your TV will start resetting. Head to the Smart Hub, then Smart Hub Reset. Select Reset Smart Hub and enter the pin. Default pin 0000. After that, your Smart Hub will be reset.